Morning to one and all. So today in this video we are going to discuss about future consumer share. So in the previous video we have discussed about future retail as well as future lifestyle share. So people who are following me regularly, they might be knowing I have made a video, I think 1 day back or 2 days back, I don't know. I made a video on Morphine Laboratories as well as Markson's Pharma. Okay, and I've given the levels also, and you can see today exactly they obeyed those levels and they've given upper circuit. Okay, so that is the importance of the levels. So that's why I tell everyone, so technical analysis whenever you are doing, you must follow them strictly and need to add. Okay, if any particular stock is falling on dips rather than selling. So most of them think that they may go into losses, though they start selling. So that should not be the strategy behind any stock. So you need to add on dips. So that's why the levels were given and they exactly obeyed that particular levels. So that's why I tell that if you subscribe the channel, so you'll not miss any notification or update regarding any stock. Okay, so let's continue with the topic. So future consumer, so this is the most demanded stock right now. So what will happen to future consumer? So we know that firstly when we talk about consumer or consumer goods or anything like say it's FMCG related stock, so it has very high demand. We know that food is what each and every person requires, especially it has very high demand in the coming years also. So how much profit or how much growth will it give, it depends upon the particular company. So we know that HUL, we can see Dabur, so they all are very good companies. Yes or no? If we see HUL, almost all the products which are present in our house, maximum we have HUL products, Dabur products, Marico, so many are there. So we need to understand that concept that consumer or FMCG will play a very crucial role in the coming year. So should not neglect any share, especially future consumer also we should not neglect, and we should add it on dips. So we'll discuss all the technicals and fundamentals. So stay tuned till the end and don't skip the video. So firstly let's us see the overview of this stock. So if you see the overview of the stock, the current market cap of this stock is around 3000 crores. Okay, and if we see the PE, so PE is not there for this company because it was reporting losses. Even the quarter results of the share are not yet declared. So once they are declared, we'll try to analyze that. So we'll compare the previous results in this video. Okay, PE is not there for this share, but when we see the industry PE is around 61. Okay, FMCG sector PE is 61.61. Okay, and if we see the book value is around 5 rupees, and if we see the deliveries is around 60.83. So deliveries are quite good, even it's hitting the lower circuits, so people are buying it. So I will tell you the exact levels where you need to actually average or you can do fresh investment. Okay, nothing to panic about the share, it's very good share only, but you need to add little quantity and need to average on dips. Okay, next if we see the shareholding, so also we see shareholding, we see that pledging is common in all future groups, so nothing to discuss specially on the topic. And if we see the promoter holding, let me mark that. So if you see the promoter holding is almost flat, we can say that it's around 45%. Next if we see the FIS holding is increased, okay, good sign, and it is increased around 1% from 16 to 17. And if we see the DI's holding, it also has remained flat. And and if we see the mutual fund holding, it also remained flat. So everything is good, mutual fund holding is there. Okay, other DIS holding is also there. Only one thing is that pledging is high, so that's common in future group, nothing special about that. Next if we see the strengths of this company, we can see that bullish reversal has formed, it's saying that. Next if we see rising net cash flow, growth in net profit, growth in quarter net profit, annual net profit improving since last 2 years, and if we see stock gain 20% in 1 month. So these are the strengths. I think it's not updated completely, So 20% in month, it has gained before 2 days. Okay, continuously it was in upper circuits. Recently from 2 days, I think it's hitting lower circuits. Okay, so the profit booking is happening. Okay, these are the basic strengths. And if we see the weaknesses, so weaknesses, if we see that one weakness is that it is with the high pledging and promoter decreasing shareholding, and one thing is that debt also is little bit high. So these three things should be kept in mind. So pledging, as it's common, so we can say that okay, but debt also should be taken into consideration. So apart from that, all these are negative, so it has broken the support also. So little more correction may be possible, that it is suggesting. So let us see what are the opportunities that we are getting from this. So loss to profit, so this is the main important. So the company which is recovering from losses and is trying to generate profits, so we need to invest in those companies, yes or no, then only we can get high returns, rather than investing in profits making company. So what will you get? Will get only decent returns, and there will be a security. If you invest in HUL, will it get double, triple, or will it get go to 10,000? So it may take very much time, it may take 5-6 years. But when you see a loss making company going to a profit, the amount of upward movement will be very huge. We can't expect that. So that should be the main strategy. So highest recovery from 52-week low, that's very good. And RSI is indicating price trend, so still even hitting the lower circuits also, it's showing there's a good price strength in it. So that is very good thing about this share. So next, what are threats to this company? So stock with PE is very high, so that's why this stock is correcting. So we should not blame that why the stock is falling. It's falling because the PE is very high. So each and every share requires correction. Without correction, nothing will be possible in stock market, yes or no? So since PE is high, it's correcting, so we need to wait patiently, and we need to add in small quantities. Anytime my main motive is to tell that should add in small quantities, so should not have so much greed to become millionaire in day night. So that is not possible. Okay, you need to add in small quantities on dips. So we'll discuss all the levels also, so that we can get good profit from this share. So pledging stocks, these are all basic. Next, if we see the levels, these are the important topic now. So levels, what are the levels where we need to focus? Okay, firstly, when we see the 1-day chart, so these levels I already discussed in previous video also. People who followed me since beginning, they might be knowing. So those are from the resistance, exactly it has reversed, and currently if you see, the levels are around 12.19 rupees and 9.88 rupees. Okay, so these are the levels, so write it down, or you can say 9 or 10 rupees, right there, 10 and 12.19. So these are the two levels where you need to add on dips. Okay, you need to focus on that. So add in small quantities. So what this is about 1-day chart. And if you see, the money flow index also is currently correcting. So once, so if you people who don't know about money flow index also, they can check in my channel, okay, to learn what actually money flow index tells. So once okay, this touches this 20 point, so once it touches the 20 point, you need to add the amount into this share. You need to add, that's it, blindly you need to add. So once 20 and below, you can see, once it goes here again, it starts bouncing back. Okay, so 20 below, when it touches 20 below, wait for 1 to 2 days, then start investing in it. That's it. Okay, that should be your main idea. This is about 1-day chart. So what about okay, 1-week chart? So from 1-week chart also we can see that exactly one W pattern is being obeyed here. See, exact like this. So here it is the bottom of this. Similarly, same levels 12 and 10. Okay, 10 rupees where we need to focus there. Okay, so 12, I think should be 12-13 rupees should be the we can say bottom, where we can add little more quantity also, we can say that. So from where it should start reversing its trend, so from there we can add 12-13. Okay, 12-13 you can add little again, further if it fall 10 rupees. Okay, that should be your idea, your strategy. Even money flow index is telling that almost it started correcting, and we can add once it falls. Okay, so these are the basic technicals of this share. So you need to note down these levels, and whenever you find the money flow index just goes below 20, and we need to wait for 1 to 2 days, and then we need to start investing in that stock. So the if we see the December 2019 results, also revenue was down 6.9%. So net income was not there, profit was not there, only the operating income has increased and cost of revenue has also decreased. So these were the negative results for the share. That's why it has fallen in between. Okay. So what are the products that future consumer is into? So you can see food and groceries. These are the products: Golden Harvest, Kosh, Ekta. So these are the food items which all of the people are aware. And if you see dairy and bakery and snacks and beverages and personal care is also there, home care is also there. So there is nothing negative about the share, only is that the pledging, if it starts moving, I think say that pledging, if it reduces, and debt also reduces. And if you see the Reliance also, they're planning on July 15th, right, regarding future groups, so that will also boost the share. So I'm telling that once you need to add this share on dips, so that should be your main strategy, not miss the opportunity of this share. Okay, so you can see the products. So this is what I wanted to say that about future consumer. So your plan, what it should be, should note down the levels. Once it comes to those levels, you need to add in small quantity and you need to relax. That's it, nothing to worry. Okay, once it start bouncing back, then definitely you'll get good returns. Okay, so next video I'll if the results come about future consumer, then definitely I'll make a video on it. So until then, if you see the previous video about Ion Exchange also, today if you see it's given 4% upward movement. So that is the power of levels. So that way I tell that if you subscribe the channel, you will definitely get benefit from this videos. Okay, until then, take care, bye bye.